What would you do if you couldn't access your own money? That's the nightmare thousands of Capital One customers are currently facing due to a major technical issue involving a third-party vendor. From missed payments to frozen accounts, the frustration is boiling over on social media. But what's really going on behind the scenes? Stay with us until the end, because we'll unpack the details of this outage, explain the broader implications for the financial industry, and reveal how this could affect you even if you don't bank with Capital One. It all started Thursday, when Capital One customers began reporting issues accessing their funds. By Friday, thousands of complaints had flooded Down Detector, a popular website for tracking outages. People took to social media platforms, including X, formerly known as Twitter, to voice their anger, and some of the messages were, well, let's just say they weren't holding back. The source of the problem? A technical issue with FIS Global, a third-party vendor that provides financial tech services to banks, including Capital One. This glitch has temporarily disrupted critical services like payment processing, deposits, and more. As a result, Capital One's consumer, small business, and commercial banking customers are facing serious inconveniences. Capital One issued a statement apologizing for the disruption, assuring customers they're actively working with the vendor to fix the problem. The app now displays a notice acknowledging the technical issues and promising a resolution as quickly as possible. But for customers unable to pay bills or access their hard-earned money, that reassurance isn't enough. Now, let's pause for a moment. If you're finding this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We cover stories like this to keep you informed about the issues that impact your finances and the global economy. Hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss our next update. Impact and context. But this situation goes beyond just Capital One. It raises larger questions about the risks of outsourcing critical financial services to third-party vendors. FIS Global, the vendor at the center of this issue, serves many major banks, which means this kind of disruption could easily ripple through the entire banking system. And let's not forget the timing. With growing reliance on digital banking, technical issues like this highlight the fragility of the systems we trust to handle our money. Could this lead to stricter regulations for third-party vendors? Or perhaps push banks to invest more in their in-house infrastructure? This outage is a stark reminder of how interconnected and vulnerable modern financial systems are. Have you or someone you know been affected by this Capital One disruption? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how this has impacted your day-to-day life. And if you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation. Financial news doesn't have to be boring, and we're here to break it down for you, one story at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.